So for the writing part, you had to go back to your past childhood memories to remember what you were like when you were a child, and had to like embrace like all those words you used to use, and how to create it simple for the littler kids to understand what you're saying at the same time.
And then after that, you kind of just took pictures and it came to you and all combined into a book that's really special because then you get to share it with everyone.
So what's your book about?
My book is called Adventures on Two Wheels, and it's about a bicycle, and the little boy's riding it, and it goes up a hill, and then it falls down, but he doesn't realize it, and he has to go find it.
My book is about the perfect mouse. It's to work together and to not give up, and not everything has to like be about yourself. Like working with other people, make everything better, and just work together. Don't give up.
So you had fun with this?
Yes.
Favorite part?
My favorite part is getting to honestly see the kids' faces.
Awesome.
My favorite part is to see their reactions when we read the book and to see how they feel about it.
Very good. Thank you.
You like the eyes?
This is our book that we made, and we worked really hard on it, and we really liked reading to the preschoolers.
They seemed really interested and excited about it.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you so much.
It was really interesting to write our own books and like read them to the kids, because the kids were very excited to read them with us.
It's kind of like an achievement, like how they guessed the next pages, like flipping the page, I found out like very
Oh, that's
nice.
awesome. So they did some predicting in your
Yeah.
stories? Very
They're
good.
very into it, so it was nice to see them smile.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much. How did you feel about sharing it with the preschool children?
It was very eventful
And exciting.
Yeah, they're very cute listening.
What did you like most about it?
Just seeing their reactions to our books and how they responded. Yeah.
Okay, so right now we're holding the books that we made for the children to read to them. And honestly, it's really enjoyable. It's really enjoyable seeing the kids' faces when we like turn the next page. It makes me feel like an author.
Yeah.